buying the wrong Volkswagen will bankrupt you with repair bills, while choosing the right one gives you decades of reliable German engineering. These 7 models represent the extremes of VW reliability that every smart buyer needs to know. Starting off with the 3 worst Volkswagen models to buy in 2025. Number 3. VW Atlas 2018 to 2020. The first-generation Atlas represents everything wrong with rushed German engineering. This large SUV was VW's attempt to crack the American market, but early production years suffer from below-average reliability that makes ownership expensive and frustrating. Originally marketed as VW's answer to the Honda Pilot and Toyota Highlander, the Atlas quickly developed a reputation for electronic glitches and premature component failures that plague owners with constant repair bills. The Atlas uses the 3.6-liter VR6 engine and 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, both paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. According to Consumer Reports reliability data, early Atlas models score significantly below average due to transmission hesitation, infotainment system failures, and air conditioning problems. The electronic issues range from minor sensor failures to major infotainment system replacements, costing $2,000 to $3,000. The air conditioning system develops refrigerant leaks and compressor failures that cost $1,500 to repair. Additionally, the transmission exhibits harsh shifting and delayed engagement that requires software updates and valve body replacements. Repair costs for the Atlas average $800 to $1,200 annually, according to RepairPal data, which is 40% higher than comparable SUVs. The electronic gremlins require specialized VW diagnostic equipment and dealer-level repairs that charge premium labor rates. This SUV appeals to families needing 3-row seating and cargo space, but the reliability issues make it unsuitable for buyers who need dependable transportation. With proper maintenance, the Atlas engines can reach 150,000 to 180,000 miles, but the electronic problems persist throughout ownership. Used Atlas models range from $18,000 to $28,000, depending on mileage and condition. Number 2. VW Golf/Jetta TDI 2009 to 2015. The TDI diesel models from this era carry the burden of Dieselgate modifications that compromise long-term reliability while creating expensive maintenance requirements. While these engines are known for impressive fuel economy and longevity when unmodified, the post-Dieselgate fixes applied to meet emissions standards introduce complexity that increases failure rates and repair costs. The emissions system modifications include additional sensors, software changes, and hardware updates that create new failure points. These models use the 2-liter TDI 4-cylinder diesel engine with either manual or DSG automatic transmission. The engine produces 140 horsepower and delivers 30 to 40 miles per gallon in real-world driving. According to Consumer Reports data and TDI owner forums, the most catastrophic failure is the high-pressure fuel pump that can destroy the entire fuel system when it fails. When the HPFP fails, metal shavings contaminate fuel injectors, fuel rails, and the engine itself, turning an $800 pump replacement into a $5,000 to $8,000 fuel system rebuild. The diesel particulate filter also requires expensive regeneration cycles and eventual replacement. Annual maintenance costs for TDI models average $1,200 to $1,500 due to specialized diesel components and emissions system complexity. The DEF system, DPF filter, and EGR valve require regular service that generic shops can't perform properly. These vehicles appeal to efficiency-focused drivers and long-distance commuters who value 40-plus miles per gallon fuel economy. The TDI engines can exceed 300,000 miles with proper maintenance, but the fuel system risk makes them unsuitable for buyers who can't afford catastrophic repairs. Used TDI models range from $12,000 to $20,000, but factor in potential fuel system replacement costs. Number 1. VW Touareg 2004 to 2010. The first-generation Touareg takes the crown as the worst VW to buy, representing German over-engineering at its most expensive and problematic. Built on the same platform as the Porsche Cayenne and Audi Q7, this luxury SUV included exotic features like air suspension and complex V8 or V10 TDI engines that are prohibitively expensive to maintain as the vehicle ages. The shared platform means Porsche, level complexity with Porsche, level repair costs that destroy budgets. The Touareg came with multiple engine options, including the 3.2-liter VR6, 4.2-liter V8, and 5-liter V10 TDI diesel. The air suspension system fails predictably around 100,000 miles, requiring complete replacement of all 4 struts and the compressor at costs exceeding $6,000. The V10 TDI engine, while powerful, suffers from turbocharger failures, fuel system problems, and emission system complexity that requires specialized knowledge to repair properly. The electronic systems include dozens of control modules that fail expensively and require dealer-level diagnostics. According to Consumer Reports data and Touareg owner forums, annual repair costs average $2,500 to $4,000 after 100,000 miles due to the vehicle's complexity. The air suspension alone costs more to repair than many cars are worth. Even simple maintenance requires specialized tools and knowledge that most independent shops don't possess. This SUV was designed for affluent buyers who wanted Porsche engineering with VW pricing, but the maintenance reality makes it unsuitable for budget-conscious owners. The engines can reach 200,000 miles with proper care, but the supporting systems fail expensively. Used Touareg models sell for $8,000 to $15,000, but budget $3,000 annually for repairs. Now for the 4 best Volkswagen models to buy in 2025. Number 4. VW GTI MK7 Generation 2015 to 2021. The MK7 GTI represents VW's most refined and reliable modern performance platform, combining the fun-to-drive character that made the GTI legendary with improved reliability that makes long-term ownership feasible. This generation benefits from the lessons learned from previous GTI iterations and uses the proven EA888 Gen 3 turbocharged engine that solved many earlier problems. The platform maturity and extensive testing resulted in significantly fewer teething problems than previous generations. The GTI uses the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder EA888 engine, producing 210 to 228 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. According to Consumer Reports reliability data and GTI owner forums, this generation scores above average for reliability, with most issues being minor and predictable. The EA888 Gen 3 engine resolved the timing chain problems that plagued earlier versions and provides strong performance with reasonable maintenance requirements. The DSG transmission, when properly serviced, provides lightning-fast shifts and long-term durability. Maintenance costs for the MK7 GTI average $600 to $900 annually according to RepairPal data, which is reasonable for a performance vehicle. The turbocharged engine requires premium fuel and synthetic oil changes every 5,000 miles, but rewards proper care with reliable operation. This car appeals to driving enthusiasts who want German performance with reasonable running costs and strong aftermarket support. With proper maintenance, The EA888 engine regularly exceeds 200,000 miles while maintaining performance. The manual transmission is particularly robust and adds to the driving experience. Used MK7 GTI models range from $16,000 to $25,000, depending on year and mileage. Number 3. VW Jetta MK6, generation 2011 to 2018. The MK6 Jetta represents VW's back-to-basics approach, prioritizing simplicity and reliability over cutting-edge technology. This generation was specifically developed to be more competitive in the American market, with lower complexity and reduced manufacturing costs that translate to better long-term reliability for owners. The simplified interior and conventional systems may lack European sophistication, but deliver American-style dependability that owners appreciate. The Jetta came with multiple engine options, including the 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, and 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. The base 2-liter engine paired with the traditional 6-speed automatic transmission provides the most reliable combination. According to Consumer Reports data, the MK6 Jetta scores above average for reliability with fewer complex systems to fail, compared to European market VWs. The naturally aspirated engine avoids turbocharger complexity while delivering adequate performance for daily driving needs. Annual maintenance costs average $500 to $700 according to RepairPal data, making it one of the most affordable VWs to maintain. The naturally aspirated engines avoid turbocharger complexity, while the conventional automatic transmission eliminates DSG maintenance requirements. This sedan appeals to practical buyers who want German engineering without premium maintenance costs. The 2-liter engine regularly reaches 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, while the turbocharged variants can achieve similar longevity with proper care. Used MK6 Jetta models range from $10,000 to $18,000, offering excellent value for reliable German transportation. Number 2. VW Passat NMS generation, 2012 to 2022. The North American market Passat represents VW's most reliable modern sedan, built specifically for American buyers with simplified systems and proven powertrains. Unlike its European counterpart, the NMS Passat prioritizes reliability and spaciousness over advanced technology, creating a dependable family sedan that delivers German refinement without typical German maintenance costs. The Tennessee-built construction quality rivals German assembly while using more reliable American market specifications. The Passat used the 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine in early years and the 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder in later models, both paired with conventional automatic transmissions. According to Consumer Reports reliability data, the NMS Passat scores significantly above average with predictable maintenance requirements and fewer electronic problems than European VWs. The 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine is particularly robust and simple to maintain. The conventional 6-speed automatic transmission provides smooth operation without the complexity of DSG systems. Maintenance costs average $550 to $750 annually, according to RepairPal data, which is excellent for a midsize sedan. The simplified electrical systems and conventional transmissions reduce complexity and repair costs compared to other VW models. This sedan appeals to families who want spacious, comfortable transportation with German build quality but American reliability expectations. The engines regularly exceed 200,000 miles with routine maintenance, and the simple systems rarely require expensive repairs. Used NMS Passat models range from $12,000 to $22,000, offering exceptional value in the mid-size sedan segment. Number 1. VW Beetle A5, generation 2012 to 2019. The final generation, Beetle takes the top spot as the best VW to buy, combining proven mechanical components from VW's most reliable models with lower stress levels due to its lighter weight and simpler systems. This Beetle shares its platform and powertrains with the successful Golf and Jetta lines while offering unique styling and character that makes it special. The emotional connection and distinctive design create ownership satisfaction that transcends mere transportation needs. The Beetle used the same engines as other VW models, including the 1.8-liter and 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinders, paired with either manual or automatic transmissions. According to Consumer Reports data and Beetle owner forums, this generation benefits from mature powertrains and simplified systems that reduce failure rates. The mechanical components are identical to the reliable Golf platform, but in a less stressed application. The lighter weight and lower performance demands result in reduced wear on all drivetrain components. Annual maintenance costs average $500 to $700 according to RepairPal data, making it one of the most affordable VBWs to own long-term. Parts availability is excellent due to platform sharing with high-volume models, and most repairs can be performed by independent VW specialists. This car appeals to buyers who want unique styling with proven reliability and reasonable operating costs. The turbocharged engines can easily exceed 200,000 miles with proper maintenance, and the simpler systems reduce the likelihood of expensive electronic failures. Used Beetle models range from $14,000 to $24,000, offering distinctive German engineering with dependable operation. These 7 Volkswagen models represent the extreme ends of the reliability spectrum, proving that not all German cars are created equal. The worst models demonstrate what happens when VW prioritizes complexity over proven engineering, creating vehicles that impress in showrooms but devastate owners with repair costs. The best models show that VW can build exceptional vehicles when they focus on simplicity and proven technology rather than cutting-edge features. The most important lesson is that VW reliability varies dramatically by model and generation, making research essential before purchasing any used VW. Choose models from the best list, and your VW ownership experience will be rewarding and affordable for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.